Oh, and welcome to my cash envelope stuffing. So I am going to do my first actual cash envelope. So this is for technically last weekend. I can really only get to the bank on Monday, so my was paid on Friday. And here's what we're going to be stuffing, $600. So I am going to get started with this binder. I already put money into spending. I put $40, and then I actually put money into nails that I used yesterday. So I put $10 in there. So if you don't see me stuffing those, it's because I have already done it. Got my nails done yesterday. They're super cute. So I'm going to get started with utilities. I put $50, oops, in for utilities. So here we go. And pets will be getting $25. Let's do 25 for pets. I actually think I'm gonna need to take some more money because my dog Dakota needs some dog food. And then spending I already did. Groceries, I have 60, but I borrowed some money from my grocery fund last week. So I need to do, oh, never mind. I did not. Okay, I already filled that in. So I need 20, and then I'm doing a 10 and 2 5s. I'm splitting it up like this because I want to see if this is better for me in terms of how much I spend by giving myself smaller bills. So $60 for groceries. Nails gets nothing. So this is phone. My phone bill actually broke, like the container itself broke. So this is my phone. So 25 goes in here. Okay. Let's do okay. Hair gets $50. Yes, my hair costs a lot of money to maintain, so. And then this is for dance. So dance is getting $15. Okay. $15 for dance. All right, that's the end of this fund. So let's see if I have any ones left over. I do not. Okay. So second envelope, sinking funds now. We are doing car maintenance, gets $5. Okay, so now I have $5, $10, $15 in here. I hate this envelope. All right, Christmas. Christmas is getting 5 as well. Most of these are getting 5s. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, $60 in Christmas. Okay. Gifts is getting $5. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45. So $45. Home is getting $5. Okay. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60. Travel. I've actually booked a vacation for summer, so I'm going to be using this money fairly soon. What is this? 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 65, 85, 95, 100, and, wait, 85, 105, 125. Okay. Clothing. How much money is clothing at? $5 for clothing. So I have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay. Business gets 5 as well. I just started stuffing business, so it's pretty low. Car payment gets $200. So $200 in car payments. And Costco gets nothing because that gets all leftovers. All right, last binder. So Tiara is actually getting $50. I need to start preparing for the fact that sometimes my hours might be lower during the summer. So I need to make sure that I have enough money to handle that. Lynn gets nothing as per usual. Sorry, Lynn. Emergency is getting $20 this time. What else we got? We have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 5, 70, 275. I want to get this up to $1,000. So I've been working on it. Credit card only gets $5. I actually have to take this out because I have to make a payment soon. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 240. 240 for credit card. All right. Now we have Fertility. Unfortunately, it only gets $5. Sad, but other things had to get more this month. So we have 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 180, 185, 200, 205, 210. All right. Taxes only gets $5 because tax season just finished. So I don't need to be stuffing as much. But right now we have 100, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 195, 200, 205, 210, 215. And then savings is getting $5. So we have 10. Oh, you know what? Let me organize this. Okay. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. And that's it. So that's my stuffing for this week, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye.